Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to generate random numbers in given range using a rand function in C program. As you can see that I have already published an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. Let me open the Visual Studio Code first. Actually I am using Visual Studio Code for to run C and C++ programs. If you don't know how to do that, then please check the video description. I have also given the video tutorial link for that. Okay, now let me open the project folder which I have already created for this project called CPP. As you can see that there are no files inside this folder, just I am opening the empty folder. Now let me create a new file and let me copy and paste the C program to generate random numbers in given range using rand function. I am going to save the file as app.c. That's it. Okay. As you can see that first he imported the header files studio.h, studiolibrary.h and time.h. After that I used the function void print randoms. Inside that we passed three parameters. The first one is lower and the second one is upper and the third one is count. Inside that there is a variable I. Then again I use the for loop I equal to 0, I less than count means I plus plus. Inside that I am using the rand function to generate random numbers. I am storing the values in the variable called number. So int number equal to rand function. This is the formula to generate random number. Rand percentage upper minus lower plus 1 plus lower. Finally I am printing the values using the printf function. Okay, inside the main function I declare the variable values. The lower value is 5 and the upper value is 7 and the count is 1. Okay, finally I am using the srand time function to use the current time as the seed for random generator, right? I hope you understand. Then finally I passed the three parameters lower, upper and count to the print randoms function. Okay, that's it guys. Now let me run this project. Let me reload the window. It is showing on error, maybe. Yes. Now let me run this project. For that actually I have already installed a extension called CodeRunner. As you can see that CodeRunner, which is used to run various programs like C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, etc. Just you need to right click on the file, then you have to click the run code option. Okay, you can see that it is generated a random number, that is 7. You can see that the lower limit is 5 and the upper limit is 7, so it won't generate number other than lower or upper, right? And the count equal to 1. Let me change this. I want 5 random numbers and I want the lower number to be 50 and the upper number to be 99. Okay, I saved the file. Now let me run the project again. As you can see that it is now generated 5 random numbers. Here you can see that 52, 98, 56, 50 and 71. It does not create a random number lower than 50 and upper than 99, and it is also generate 5 random numbers, so count equal to 5, right? I hope you understand guys. That's it. I hope this video tutorial helps you a lot. If you have any doubts about this video tutorial, then please leave a comment. I will help you. If you want to receive more videos about C program, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.